Money Academy.
In this video, I'll show you a revolutionary new way to make a lot of money online by using Google Translate for free. Now, the amount of money you might potentially make is around $1,000, $2,000, or even $3,000. However, this is a cautionary note. In this video, you must follow my basic and straightforward directions. You don't need any expertise or experience to perform this, and the greatest part is that it's completely free. You don't have to pay anything to accomplish this, and it's available all over the world. Yes, you may apply today's strategy to start making money online regardless of where you're coming from. So, by utilizing today's strategy, this is how much money you can make. You can earn anywhere from $40 to $100 by translating one file using Google Translate. You can earn up to $500 if you translate 5 files, and if you translate 10 files, you'll definitely earn over $1,000. This strategy has a huge earning potential, and you may use it over and over again. As a result, I urge you to stay tuned so you don't miss out on any important details. You through all of the necessary processes. You can do it both on your computer and on your phone. I'll show you how to make a lot of money online by using Google Translate, but you must follow all my instructions. So, first and foremost, I want you to go to this website, moneyacademy.work. But before you go to this website, I'd like to show you how to join up, and I'll walk you through all of the stages and training in this video, so you can see precisely what I did before going ahead and doing it for yourself. If you go around this website, you'll notice that there's a lot of money to be made for as little as $50 to $65, and as much as $500 to $1,000. So let me show you how it works right now, and then I'll show you how to sign up and get a free sign-up bonus or free money in a minute. To begin, when you sign up for this website, you'll be able to browse different projects similar to the ones I just showed you. There are various projects, offers, and tasks available on the marketplace, and you can earn US dollars, cryptocurrencies, and even PayPal money. You can surely choose your desired payment option, so that you can browse different accessible jobs on Latium, submit a bid, or simply choose an instant hire project to start working right now and get paid within just 24 hours. It has really quick payout, and they always pay you on schedule. So, in step 2, you must finish the project and submit it through the Latium contract management system. The third step is the one that we all enjoy. We are compensated. Your money will be released to your Latium wallet within 24 hours once your work has been evaluated and accepted. So right now, I'm going to show you how to sign up and collect your bonus money. When you visit this website, click I want to work, and you'll be taken to a page where you may enter your email address. After that, simply fill in the required information, such as your first and last names, username, and password. Now, when you're done signing up, you should receive a $1 bonus as a sign-up bonus. However, you must authenticate your email address, so check your inbox and click the activation link in order for them to set up your account on this website. Once you log in, you should be able to see $1 in your dashboard.
But, before we go much further, I'd like to give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up. If you've liked the video so far, please leave a comment if you found this video entertaining and informative. We'd love to hear your thoughts. It's time to go back to work and generate some money.
Now, after you log in into your account, go to the top of the page and select Browse Project. You should be able to see their numerous projects and join them. You should be able to pick and choose what you want to do, and you should be able to get paid for it. So the issue is that there are so many projects, so many things to accomplish, and I know that many of you, including me, are unfamiliar with graphic design, website design, software development, and usability testing. But here's the thing, none of this requires any talent or experience. All you need to do now is simply concentrate on translation and languages. So, if you click on this category, you'll see a project involving translation and language that you can work on. For example, from Hindi to English or from Spanish to English. I'll show you some examples that will enable you to receive and earn money online. For example, you might receive a Hindi article, translate your job from Hindi to English, and then you will receive $85. Some projects want you to translate from Spanish to English, and they're going to pay you $100 per project. So once you've finished your project, they're going to pay you in different cryptocurrencies. You can also get paid in US dollars, Bitcoin, bank transfer, web money, Skrill, and Payoneer. You can choose from a variety of payment methods on this page. Now, this is one of the similar articles which will be available to you. Basically, you may get money online by translating this Hindi article into English. Now, I understand that many of you are watching this video from all over the world. You may not be able to translate multiple languages, but what I teach you in this video is how to use Google Translate to perform all the work for you and automate the process, so that you can make money over and over again. Now I want you to go to translate.google.com. All you have to do here is copy and paste the language on the left, and the Google will automatically translate the language into English. So when you receive your job, you can copy everything right here, come back to Google Translate, and then I'm going to paste everything right here on the left side. The good thing here is that it automatically detects the language that you input here. As you can see, Hindi is automatically detected. So Google Translate recognizes that this is Hindi, and will provide the English translation right here on the right. So, you're going to copy everything. Click the copy button right here, and then I'll open a new document and paste my English translation into it. Simply repeat the process until the article is completely translated into English. Now, if you have a ready document file saved on your computer, you can simply click Documents right here and open up a set article for Google Translate, and then we can submit that to various jobs and offers and get paid. For example, for a Hindi language translation, they'll pay you a slightly lower price, as you can see here, $85. However, if you're lucky, you might see some of Spanish, German, or even Japanese translation jobs, which will pay you up to $100 per job, and all you have to do after that is replicate what we did in today's video. It's a really basic process, and I believe anyone can do it. Don't worry, you can do it on your phone or on your computer. Simply go to translate.google.com, utilize the program to your advantage, and it will complete all of the task for you.